A dry run for COVID vaccine will be held in all states on Saturday, January 2nd, the government said as authorities hinted that approval for a vaccine could be around the corner. Today, the Union Health Secretary chaired a high-level meeting with all states and union territories. This is the second dry run being conducted in the country. The first was held on December 28th and 29 in 4 states and had gone off without a hitch, the Health Ministry said. The dry run will happen at selective places in each state, sources said. The process in which participants receive dummy COVID vaccines is meant to test the mechanism and reveal possible gaps in the system ahead of the actual vaccination drive. On Tuesday, the Health Ministry said the 2-day mock drill showed India is ready to start inoculation. All the 4 participating states are satisfied with systems put in place for COVID-19 vaccination process, the Health Ministry said in a statement. The countrywide dry run comes amid anticipation of a launch of a vaccine in the new year. Today, the country's Drugs Controller General Dr. V.G. Somani said, "Probably we have a new year with something in hand." The assurance came ahead of a crucial meeting of the expert panel on emergency use of vaccine authorization set for tomorrow. The panel is examining applications from 3 firms, the Serum Institute of India, Bharat Biotech and Pfizer. Of this, the Covishield, developed by Oxford University and pharma major AstraZeneca, that's being manufactured by Serum Institute, is seen as frontrunner. Pfizer is yet to present its data to its regulator, and the indigenous applicant Bharat Biotech, which is partnering the Indian Council of Medical Research for its Covaxin, has not completed recruitment for its phase 3 trial. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.